Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video what we are going to review is a toothpaste from the brand Closeup. So guys, this is a Closeup Ever Fresh Plus toothpaste with zinc fresh technology, and today we are going to review this. So guys, starting off with the packaging, it comes in this red color packaging right here with the Closeup branding right in the face of it. Here it says Ever Fresh Plus, Zinc Fresh Technology, 18 hours fresh breath is what they promise. So here again we have the close-up branding, and here are their brand ambassadors can be seen on this right here. Moving on to the net weight of this pack. The net weight is 150 grams. So this is a 150 gram pack that I have with me. And the MRP for the same is rupees 145. So uh, the Closeup toothpaste provides zinc fresh technology, blasts away 99.9% of germs, gives protection from bad breath for 18 hours, fights malodor compounds. Moving on. For children under the age of 6, use a pea-size amount under adult supervision. Brush at least twice a day. Visit your dentist regularly. Do not swallow. Ingredients of this toothpaste are sorbitol, water, hydrated silica, sodium lauryl sulfate, flavor cellulose gum, xanthan gum, sodium saccharin, sodium fluoride, zinc sulfate, sodium hydroxide, synthetic fluorofluoride. Yeah, that's the content of this. And this is a brand from Hindustan Liver. So guys, let's go ahead and open this pack right now. I'll just quickly open it. It's a sealed pack. And inside this, here is a Colgate Max Everfresh that we have with Zinc Plus technology. So this is how the tube looks. It comes packaged in a tube. It's a 150 gram tube that we have here. It should last over a month for a family of 4 people. So now what we have on the inner pack, again we have new fresher flavor written here. Hindustan Liver. Again you see your direction given, ingredients given. Same thing that we saw on the package outside is here as well. Now let's go ahead and open this tube and check out the Colgate Close-Up Everfresh toothpaste. Here's my toothbrush, and let's see. We'll apply like generous amount of the paste on the brush. So it's red in color. You can see that it is red gel type in color. The toothpaste. This is how it looks. Thick wet gel type toothpaste this is. And now let's see how does it taste and how does it feel. Strong minty freshness you can feel in this. It foams up well. Over. So guys, after brushing with Close-Up, it feels really fresh in your mouth. Like you feel a cool feeling inside the mouth after brushing with Close-Up, and it gives you a nice fresh breath as well after brushing with it. So I really liked it. Uh, the Close-Up Ever Fresh toothpaste was nice, refreshing. It gives you a refreshing start to the day. So guys, if you all are looking to buy the Closeup Everfresh toothpaste, it's available online on Amazon. I'll left a link in the description below. Do check it out from there. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.